which way I want to do this, because this has got to be done and dropped right now, because this son of a bitch ain't going to last but a second.
Right there, on that corner.
Kind of want to put it so that the can don't burn the top. Probably just drop it right down.
That's what I was thinking, yeah.
Now we got to dig this bitch out of here, because somebody could call the cops.
I don't think anybody's gonna call the
I
cops.
doubt it, because I'd fired a gun off up here all out of the moment. Yeah, this is what's scary. Ready?
Yeah.
Come on, Nina. Come on. Come on. Go, please. That was just, you know what that other can would have done?
What?
It would have blew so hard that we'd have